Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Paradise Beach, Greece. If you're new here, welcome to the sunshine. And if you've been with us before, you already know. Here, you'll find sea, smiles, and that slow Greek rhythm of life. Before we begin, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss new walks along the most beautiful beaches of the Athens Riviera. Today, we're going on a double adventure, a coastal walk through Vouliagmeni and VArkiza. Two neighbors, two moods. One elegant and calm, the other lively, friendly, and full of summer laughter. Together, they're the heartbeat of the Athenian Riviera. Let's start in Vouliagmeni, a place that looks like it was made for postcards. Golden sand, turquoise water, palm trees swaying softly in the breeze, and that relaxed, you're on vacation feeling from the very first step. Vouliagmeni isn't just a beach. It's a state of mind. You don't come here to rush. You come here to exhale. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Just behind the main road lies the famous Vouliagméni Lake, a natural thermal lake with warm mineral water. Locals say swimming here makes you feel 10 years younger. Some tourists swear it cures stress, back pain, and even bad Wi-Fi connection. But one thing's certain, you'll come out smiling. A bit further down the coast is Austere Beach. Probably the most glamorous spot in Greece. Once upon a time, it was the hangout of movie stars and royals. Today, anyone can feel like a celebrity, if only for a few hours, under a Greek sun umbrella. But don't worry, Vouliagmeni has plenty of free beaches too. All you need is a towel, a frappe, and that Greek saying, if you have the sea, you have everything. Water. You'll meet all kinds of people here. That guy with the drone, filming the sky, the sea, and probably himself. A girl posing for the perfect selfie, checking the reflection of her sunglasses for the 15th time, and someone in the water shouting, Eureka, while chasing a fish with a GoPro. Yes, beaches are the best comedy stage in Greece. Greeks watch all this with a friendly smile. They know that after 10 minutes, everyone ends up doing the same thing, sitting quietly with a cold coffee, staring at the horizon like a philosopher. Because in Greece, the secret of life is simple. Siga-siga. Slowly, slowly. Now, we follow the coast road a little further south, and here it is, VArkiza. The vibe changes immediately. It's brighter, louder, friendlier. You can smell grilled calamari in the air and hear laughter from the tavernas. If Vouliagmeni is elegance, then VArkiza is joy. It's family picnics, beach volleyball, and music from car radios. The beaches stretch wide and golden, with little coves tucked in between, perfect for anyone who wants pace and quiet. Just you, the sea, and maybe a seagull. Here, locals and tourists mix together naturally. Everyone has their favorite spot. Some read, some swim, and some practice the ancient Greek art of doing absolutely nothing. Zoo. You can always tell where someone's from just by looking at their sunbed. If everything is perfectly aligned, towel, shoes, sunscreen, that's a German. If the sunscreen is open but forgotten in the sand, definitely an Italian. And if there's no umbrella, just coffee and a smile, that's a Greek. Along the promenade, life is buzzing. Cafes, beach bars, small tavernas, all alive with laughter. In the morning, people sip iced coffee by the waves. In the evening, they return for dinner and watch the sunset. Paint the sky in pink and gold. There's music, friendly chatter, the smell of grilled fish, and that endless feeling of summer freedom. As the sun begins to set, VArkiza turns golden. The waves sparkle, children are still playing in the shallows, and someone nearby orders another round of wine. That's when time slows down completely. No worries, no noise, just you, the sea, and that warm, bleak breeze. And you realize happiness isn't a destination. It's right here, right now. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. So, my friends, if you want to feel the real Greek summer, start in Vouliagmeni for beauty and calm. Then move on to VArkiza for laughter, life, and flavor. Together, they're the perfect mix of elegance and joy. Thank you for joining me today on this sunny walk through Vouliagmeni and VArkiza. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, are you more of a relax and float person or a dance on the beach kind of traveler? Until next time, take it easy, siga-siga, and remember, sun, sea, and a smile can fix almost anything. Sun, sea, and Greece. See you again on Paradise Beach, Greece.